Hey everyone, do you really want to polish your English? Let me present you these 30 idioms that you like to use in your conversation. The very first one here is between the devil and deep sea. It means facing two equally bad options. When both jobs seemed risky, Anita felt caught between the devil and the deep sea. The second one, bite the bullet. To force yourself to do something difficult or unpleasant. If you are biting a bullet, you got to do something that is really difficult for you. For example, Hari decided to bite the bullet and apologize for his mistake. The third one, very interesting one, break a leg. When do you say break a leg? It is a way to wish someone good luck. Break a leg, she said to me when I entered the court. Cry over spilled milk. It means to be upset about something that cannot be changed. Alright, using it in a sentence, there is no use crying over spilled milk after missing the bus. Yeah, crying over spilled milk is doing something useless or meaningless because you have already run out of time. The next one, cut corners. It means to do something cheaply or carelessly, right? To save either time or money. The builder cut corners so the house was not very strong. The next one is very interesting. Call it a day. When do you say call it a day? Probably when you come to the end of a hard day work. You say call it a day. It means to stop working for the day. We finished our homework and call it a day. Sure? I think you are catching up. Next one is dead tired. Dead tired means very tired. You are exhausted. After working all day, I was dead tired. I think you have understood the meaning. And down to earth. Yeah, many of you keep using this idiom time and again. Down to earth means being very practical and simple. Our new teacher is very down to earth and friendly. Likewise, drive someone crazy. To drive someone crazy to means to annoy someone greatly. The loud noise outside is driving me crazy. I cannot tolerate it means. The next one, drop in the bucket. I think you understand this thing. A very small amount compared to what is needed. The money we collected is just a drop in the bucket. So I think it is almost meaningless. And the next one, the draw the line. To draw the line means to set a limit. Usually our parents draw the lines, right? Let's say in whatever we do. So take for example, you should draw the line at staying out late at night. Moving ahead, dog days. So when do you say dog days? Right? You refer to summer by saying dog days, the hottest days of summer. Using it in a sentence, during the dog days, people prefer to stay indoors. I think you have understood it. And the next one, every cloud has a silver lining. So it means every difficult situation has some good side. Though he lost the match, he learned a valuable lesson. Every cloud has a silver lining. The next one here for today is eye opener. Something surprising that teaches an important lesson. That is an eye opener. Visiting the village school was an eye opener for me. Alright? Likewise, it wants words. To admit that one was wrong. So you realize that you were wrong means you eat your own words. He had to eat his words after her success. So moving ahead, face the music means to accept punishment or criticism. Alright, the students had to face the music for breaking the rules. And the next one here, fair and square. What do you mean by fair and square? It means being honest and straightforward. Our team won the match fair and square. So, very beautifully used here. Feather in one's cap, an achievement to be proud of. You feel very proud of something and you say, yeah, it's a feather in a cap. Winning the scholarship was a feather in her cap. The next one I feel like using quite often, fish out of water. A person who feels uncomfortable in a situation. I felt like a fish out of water at the big party. So you didn't know what to do. Like, so that's the thing. And here, from rags to riches. Oh, very beautiful one. From rags to riches. It means from poverty to great wealth. All right. So his life story is truly from rags to riches. I think you remember some billionaires when you remember this idiom, rags to riches. Going ahead, full of beans. So very energetic and lively. The children were full of beans after the picnic. So it means they were very lively or excited. They enjoyed it very much. The next one, fly off the handle. To become suddenly angry. To lose your temper, it means all of a sudden. Father flew off the handle when he saw the broken window. Alright, so that's the meaning. And now the 23rd, get cold feet. It means to become nervous or afraid. Let's say you are announcing in a program, you are making an announcement, or maybe you are delivering a speech. You become nervous or afraid, you get afraid. So she got cold feet before speaking on the stage. The next one here is go the extra mile. It means to make extra effort. Additional effort you make and you say that you are going the extra mile. Our teacher always goes the extra mile to help students. I think you understand this thing. And green with envy. Yeah, I also keep using it like day-to-day conversation. So being very jealous, right? He was green with envy when his friend bought a new bike. So yeah, somebody feeling some kind of jealousy, not jealousy, but envy. Give someone a hand means to help someone is very easy one, easy one. Please give me a hand to get this cake ready. Hold your horses. What does it mean? Holding your horses. It means to wait or to be patient. Hold your horses. We are not ready to leave it. And the next one, hard not to crack. When do you use it? Hard not to crack. A difficult problem or a person you want to refer to. You say a hard nut to crack. Mathematics was a hard nut to crack to him. All right. And the second last one today, head over heels means pretty excited or deeply in love. She was head over heels about her new project. And the last one for today, heart and soul. It means with complete dedication. He worked heart and soul to complete the program. Right? I believe I clarified the meaning of these 30 different idioms and I also put them in some sentences. So please follow me, subscribe my channel for further presentations and exercises. Thank you very much.